everyone, it's Brittany. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am unboxing the FabFitFun 2021 Summer Box. I am partnering with FabFitFun again. I've been partnering with them for the last few years and I'm a huge fan of the company. If you are not familiar with what FabFitFun is, they are a seasonal subscription box service, so they come 4 times a year. Each of the boxes come with full-size beauty, fashion, wellness, health, home, lifestyle products, and they are customizable. So if you are an annual member, you get to customize your entire box now, which is very cool. FabFitFun also partners with a different charity or organization every season. This season they are partnering with the Make-A-Wish Foundation, which is super nice. They have raised over $1 million for different charities and organizations, of course with the help of everyone who purchases the FabFitFun boxes, so I think it's amazing. They also like to work with female-founded companies, so a lot of the products inside are from female-founded companies and brands. The FabFitFun boxes are available in the US, Canada, and UK, and if you've never bought a FabFitFun box before and you want to, definitely use my code BRITTP. I will have it on the screen here, as well as in the description box with the link to the website. So if you want to see what's inside the 2021 FabFitFun Summer Box, then just keep watching. I've already looked at everything that's in the FabFitFun 2021 Summer Box, and I'm so excited. It all literally screams summer, and it's making me really look forward to the warmer months. The first thing that I customized is something that I've actually been wanting for a very long time, and that is a travel jewelry case. I really wanted one that was like a box style, that had a zipper closure, that was just gonna keep everything safe. It's from the brand Millie. It is a traveling jewelry case. I love this pattern and the color is so pretty. I really love that it's more of a structured jewelry case. It has a little spot for your rings here, and then some other compartments that you could put earrings or bracelets, and then this little section pulls down and you could put necklaces in here or other little smaller pieces. I think this is just so perfect. The next thing in here that really screamed summer to me was this adorable ice cube mold. The actual ice cube molds are shaped like little pineapples. It's so cute. This is from the brand Blush. It is a silicone ice tray. I always am a sucker for some reason for shaped ice cubes. It would be really cute to even add pineapple juice to this and have little pineapple shaped pineapple ice cubes added to some sparkling water or something, or if you wanted to make a cocktail, how adorable would that be? Speaking of drinks, I feel like everything I customized was kind of like a way to help me make some really cute summer cocktails. So this is actually a wine chiller. This is from Society 6, and Society 6 makes some really cute stuff. So I saw this and I was like, how do I not have one of these already? This is what it looks like. I, again, love these colors. I think it's so bright and happy. And with this, you can either pop it in the freezer for some extra chill, or you can just add some ice cubes to it and then put a bottle of wine inside. This would be really great for like picnics or just hanging out in the backyard or something. Anytime me and my friends had ever ordered a bottle of wine at a restaurant, it always comes in a wine cooler, and I'm like, that's such a great idea. I don't know why I never got one before. Obviously, you don't have to use wine with it either. You could chill any type of drink in this. Since we're already talking about cocktails, I might as well show this next item because it's also going to help me make some really cute drinks. It is a citrus squeezer. The brand is Art and Cook, and it says it juices all citrus fruits. My idea is that I will probably use this for limes and maybe make margaritas. This one is also BPA free, dishwasher safe, and of course safe for food use. I've basically just customized a box to make really cute cocktails, and I'm very here for it. Okay, I did get some beauty items that I wanted to share. The first one is a lip mask. This is the Seraphine Botanicals Fruit Butter Lip Mask, and it's an overnight intensive lip treatment, and it smells so good. On the back of the packaging, it says that it has shea butter and apricot kernel oil to help deliver intense hydration, softness, and elasticity while you sleep. It's also a vegan formula, and the color is this really pretty like baby pink. I'll put a little bit on my lips, even though I'm wearing like a lip color, but that's okay. Just add a little bit of hydration. It feels really nice. This actually looks really good on top of my lipstick. Another beauty product I got in the FabFitFun Summer box is the Watermelon Burst Setting Spray from Ciate London. This is made with niacinamide, and that is a nice acne blemish fighting ingredient that I like to look for in a lot of my skincare. It also says it has fresh watermelon extract, but it is delicately watermelon scented, so it's not going to be overwhelming. And it also has a dewy finish, which is my favorite finish for any type of makeup product. Oh, that smells really good. It kind of reminds me of like a spa melon scent that's very like fresh and light. That's so refreshing. That's gonna be really nice on like a really hot summer day. And the last beauty product that I decided to try out is from a brand called Flight Mode Skincare. I was really intrigued by this product. It is called the High Altitude Hydration Mask. I think their entire brand, obviously with the name Flight Mode Skincare, is focused around traveling. And if you travel in an airplane, you would know that the air is very, very dehydrating. So it sounds like most of their products are probably very great for travel, but also just in general for intense hydration, which I tend to need a lot. I have very dry skin. The interesting thing about this mask too is that you don't need to rinse it off, especially if you are on an airplane and you're doing some type of mask or treatment. If you don't need to wash it off, that is a total bonus. The ingredients in this Flight Mode mask are Australian wild berry harvest and hyaluronic acid, which hyaluronic acid is great for hydrating and plumping your skin. So next time I'm traveling, this is definitely coming with me, and I'm also going to use it at home. All right, the last thing I got in my summer 2021 FabFitFun box is this Poolside New York dry/wet bag. Wet bags are so incredibly convenient if you are traveling or if you are going to the pool or to the beach. Basically, they are designed so that you can put your swimsuit inside one of these wet bags and then put it in your bag. When I was a kid, I would always wrap my used wet bathing suit in a towel and then stick it in a backpack, but it would still get everything else wet, of course, because the towel is not gonna keep the water from seeping into everything else. What I did really like about this one is it actually has different compartments inside. So if you did want to keep other stuff inside a bag, then you don't need to keep it with a wet swimsuit because the inside pouch has a zipper. On the tag, it also says that the exterior pouch was made with recycled polyester. I always like seeing that a company can find a way to reuse something or recycle something. So that is everything that I got in the FabFitFun Summer 2021 box that I customized. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you customized in your FabFitFun box in the comment section below. And if you still have not tried FabFitFun, then definitely use my code BRITTP for $10 off your first box. I will again have that listed in the description below, as well as the link to the website. Of course, thank you to FabFitFun for sponsoring this video. I'm a huge fan of the company, and I'm always really excited to see what's inside each of the season's boxes. So definitely check them out. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.